February 22nd, this Sunday at 5 p.m. from YMCA Nandanam Chennai grounds to 200 countries. We are doing Global Peace Festival just like in June 2002 we conducted and reached 2 billion people. This peace festival is promoting peace, equality for all people of all faiths because Chennai and Tamil Nadu is place of Saint Thomas, disciple of Jesus, who started peace. For that meeting, we have requested all political leaders, especially the respected Chief Minister Mr. Stalin, the Deputy Chief Minister Mr. Udanidhi, and the leaders of AIDMK, Vijay, and Congress. 18 political parties of India supporting it because through this peace meeting, we are promoting Tamil Nadu, India. We are praying for 58 wars to be stopped and we are helping Tamil Nadu, Chennai, like in the past, 10,000 widows will be supporting 25,000 widows. Sadly, the permission is only given today instead of 1 month ago police permission. So jeopardizing crippling our plans, global plans. But anyway, I thank God and Chief Minister Stalin. Please come on Sunday at least from 8 to 9:30 p.m. As you are going to many other meetings, we'll give you podium to promote Tamil Nadu, promote peace and stop wars. Thank you very much. God bless you.